SC gives IBP more time to talk to fishermen in writ of kalikasan case. Metro Manila, CNN Philippines, July 16, before the High Court for the Protection of Features in the West Philippine Sea. SC Public Information Chief Brian Keith Hosaka said Tuesday the High Court granted the IBP's motion for the extension to comply with its order to move in the premises in the writ of kalikasan case. They were given until Friday to comply, 3 days sooner than their request. Aside from granting an extension, a highly placed source in the SC also said the High Court issued a gag order for the IBP and the lawyers representing the government in the petition. That this would also indicate whether or not petitioners are still interested to pursue the petition. Calida has scoffed at the IBP lawyers' efforts to talk to the fishermen, which came after the government's top lawyer dropped a bombshell during last week's oral argument, presenting affidavits from 19 fishermen saying they were not informed that they would be suing the government and that they would no longer push through with the case. On Monday, Calida also said last week that the government's lawyers and IBP lawyers have agreed to drop the case. IBP lawyers denied this. 4 IBP lawyers in the petition. Despite this threat, lawyer Calida, who leads the legal team representing the fishermen, said he will moving forward, suspect the SC to determine whether there was misrepresentation from both camps, how many petitioners are left and if their number is sufficient for it to take up the writ of kalikasan case. That is that the SC may still hear the case despite the mass withdrawal of petitioners from it, considering the extraordinary nature of the writ of kalikasan. A writ of kalikasan is a legal remedy available to any person who feels that their constitutional right to a balanced and healthful ecology has been violated or could be violated by an unlawful act or omission of a public official or employee, or private individual or entity. In this case, the fishermen asked the SC to compel the government to preserve, restore, and rehabilitate Panadac Shoal, Ayungin Shoal, and Panganaban Reef, which they said have all been heavily damaged by China's artificial island building activity. These 3 sea features are all part of the West Philippine Sea, a part of the South China Sea, claimed by the Philippines and contested by China. In 2016, an international arbitral tribunal constituted under the United Nations Convention on the Laws of the Sea and backed by the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague nullified China's sweeping claims over virtually the entire South China Sea and ruled that the Asian giant had violated the Philippines' exclusive rights over features in its 200 nautical mile exclusive economic zone. CNN Philippines Angela Mario and Steph Gregorio contributed to this report. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.